So in this video, we're talking about the introduction to Python, and we will be discussing four major questions: that what is Python, what Python can do, why Python is so famous, and why I should learn it. So let's move to the first question, that what is Python. So Python is then interpreted a high-level language, and it is also known as a general purpose language. It can be used whether you're talking about machine learning, GUI, software development, web development, etc. Then let's go to number 2, that what Python can do. Python can be used on a server to create web application. It can be used to handle big data and perform complex mathematics. It can connect your database systems, and it can also read and modify files. Now let's go to number 3, that why Python is so famous. You have C, C++, Java, but still Python is so famous. Some people say that Python is a new language, and not exactly. Java came into picture in 1995 and Python came in 1989. So it's way before Java. When Java came into picture in the enterprise market, everyone started learning Java, and Python was considered as the easiest programming language. But then, due to the advancement of machine learning, GUI, software development, scientists don't want to take much time on learning the coding. So what did they search for? The easiest programming language, and the easiest programming language is Python. It is the much easiest programming language, as simple as the English language, that can be used everywhere. Now number 4 is why you should learn it. So Python has a simple syntax, as simple as the English language, and it has a syntax that allows the programmers to write the programs in fewer lines. So there are 3 versions of Python. One is 1.0, 2.0 and 3.0. Of course you will go to the latest one to work on, and there will be lots of features. So that was all for this video. I hope you like it. So subscribe our channel, hit the bell icon for not missing updates, and give thumbs up to our video if you like it, and see you next time.